Reduction by using sodium borohydride is one of the most important reducing agent. Is like LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydride. The basic difference between lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride is lithium aluminum hydride is versatile reducing agent. It reduces all functional group, means it reduces carbonyl group, aldehyde group, ester group, acid group, cyclic ring, double bond, alpha beta unsaturated compound. But sodium borohydride is reducing only carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone and most electrophilic reagent. See, sodium borohydride is one of the most important and useful reducing agent. It reduces carbonyl compound along with many other organic compound. It works same like as lithium aluminum hydride. See some example. Aldehyde is reducing with LiAlH4 formation of alcohol. Similarly, aldehyde again reduction with sodium borohydride formation of same product alcohol. Second is ketone. Ketone on reaction with sodium borohydride gives secondary alcohol. Also, lithium aluminum hydride reduces ketone formation of secondary alcohol. Third is acid chloride on reaction with sodium borohydride gives secondary alcohol. Similarly, LiAlH4 also reduces this acid chloride formation of primary alcohol. It is selective reducing agent. It does not reduces carbon-carbon double bond. It is selective carbonyl group. As you say, sodium borohydride is only reduces carbonyl group, not reduces double bond of alpha beta unsaturated compound. Also does not reduces acid and ester anhydride nitrocyano like group. It only reduces more electrophilic group, means that is more selective and less reactive as compared to sodium borohydride. See some, I will explain some example. Before this example, see mechanism of this reaction. In first step, transfer of hydride ion toward this carbonyl group. In sodium borohydride, boron atom always acquire positive charge and H minus hydride. This hydride ion attack on this carbonyl group of ketone, formation of unstable intermediate. In second step, hydrolysis of this intermediate, formation of secondary alcohol. Just keep in your mind here there is basic difference between LiAlH4 and sodium borohydride. Just keep in your mind is, see substrate product LiAlH4 sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. See first example is aldehyde. The product is alcohol. It reduces lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride both are reduces this carbonyl group of aldehyde. Similarly, both reduces carbonyl group of ketone, formation of again primary alcohol. It reduces LiAlH4 and sodium borohydride. Both reduces ketone. And third is acetyl chloride. It reduces LiAlH4 and sodium borohydride both, because acetyl chloride are more electrophilic. Due to this reason, it reduces both LiAlH4 and sodium borohydride. See, first step is acid formation of alcohol. LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydride is reducing acid to primary alcohol, but sodium borohydride is not reducing acid. Try to remember this point is very important. Again, ester to alcohol. It reduces lithium aluminum hydride but does not reduce sodium borohydride. Anhydride, from anhydride to alcohol, carbon carbon double bond to alkane, nitro to amine. It reduces ester to alcohol, reduces lithium aluminum hydride. Anhydride to alcohol reduces lithium aluminum hydride. Carbon carbon double bond also reduces lithium aluminum hydride. Nitro to amino also reduces lithium aluminum hydride but does not reduces sodium borohydride, because it is more selective reducing agent and less reactive reducing agent as compared to lithium aluminum hydride. Sodium borohydride is more specific and less reactive as compared to lithium aluminum hydride. See some example here. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, means 2-butanol is reducing with LiAlH4 and sodium borohydride. In this reaction, lithium aluminum hydride is reduces both carbon carbon double bond and aldehyde group. But here is mistake, carbon carbon double bond is not reduces, but in this reaction carbon carbon double bond also reduces this LiAlH4 and formation of alcohol. See, in sodium borohydride it reduces only this carbonyl group of aldehyde, does not reduces carbon carbon double bond, that is specific. It reduces carbonyl group, means it is very selective reducing agent. It reduces only carbon carbon double bond. It does not reduces other functional group from, as compared to LiAlH4 and sodium borohydride. LiAlH4 reduces both functional group carbon carbon double bond and aldehyde, but sodium borohydride is only reduces with this carbonyl group of aldehyde only. Second example is PHCH double bond CHCHO. LiAlH4 reduces both double bond and carbonyl group, but sodium borohydride is reducing only aldehyde group formation of. Third example is metanitrobenzoyl chloride is reduces LiLH4 is reduces both nitro and acetyl chloride group formation of alcohol and amine, but sodium borohydride is only specific reducing agent. Due to this reason is only reduces acetyl chloride formation of alcohol. From acetyl chloride formation of alcohol is reduces only COCl bond, not reduces NO2 bond.